everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. Today we are going to go ahead with our Kikuyu lessons. Today we're going to learn something different, and this is concerning our love language in my Kikuyu uh, in Kikuyu language. So first of all, thanks for joining me, and thanks so much for the previous likes, the comments, and also suggestions. I'm working on everything, and I hope to continue improving in my video editing skills. And as soon as I'm ready, or as soon as I have change my editing skills, I will try to put on the text in the videos so that you also can have a chance to read for yourself and also pronounce the words according to how they are written. So now we're going to go ahead, and our first word to learn today is my dear. My dear, this is how you say it. Mwedwa wakwa. Mwedwa wakwa. Mwedwa wakwa. Now, our next word to learn today is, for example, if you want to speak to your love or to your boyfriend and you want to call them baby. Now, this is how you say it. Baby, baby, baby. Now, our next word to learn is, for example, when you want to tell someone, I miss you. Now, this is how you say it. Nego mi sete. Nego mi sete. Nego mi sete. Sorry. Nego mi sete. Or you can even say, I've missed you. Nedrako mi sete. Nedrako mi sete. But the easiest word to use is nego mi sete. I've missed you. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say, I love you. This is how you say it. Negwedete. 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 I love you. Now, our next thing to learn is I love you with all my heart. I love you with all my heart. This is how you say it. Gwedete na ngoro yakwa yothe. Gwedete na ngoro yakwa yothe. Gwedete na ngoro yakwa yothe. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say thank you. This is how you say it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's say, for example, you want to say welcome. Welcome. Karifu. This is how you say it. Karifu. Karifu. Or you can even say, for example, if you want to say you are welcomed, you can say newete tuo. Newete tuo. Newete tuo. Now, let's say, for example, you want to tell your friend or your girlfriend, let's go and have a drink. This is how you can say it. Nitodhie tukanywe. Nitodhie tukanywe. Nitodhie tukanywe. Let's go. Nitodhie tukanywe. Let's go and drink. Nitodhie tukanywe. Or maybe you want to ask your friend, your girlfriend, can I invite you for a drink? This is how you say it. No wende gũka naniĩ tũthi tũkanywe. No wende, would you love or would you like gũka naniĩ, to come with me to have a drink? No wende gũka naniĩ tũkanywe. No wende gũka naniĩ no wende gũka naniĩ tũkanywe. Now, let's say, for example, you want to tell your girlfriend or your boyfriend invites you, or your boyfriend tells you, can we go for coffee? This is how you say it. No ũke naniĩ tũkanywe kahũa. No ũke naniĩ tũkanywe kahũa. No ũke naniĩ tũkanywe kahũa. No ũke naniĩ, can you come with me? Tũkanywe, to drink. Kahũa, coffee. No ũke naniĩ tũkanywe kahũa. Or you can even say, let's go and have coffee. Now, this is how you say it. Nitodhie tũkanywe kahũa. Nitodhie tũkanywe kahũa. Nitodhie, let's go. Tũkanywe, drink. Kahũa, coffee. Nitodhie tũkanywe kahũa. Let's go and have coffee. Now, we're going to go to something different, and we're going to say, for example, you want to tell someone, I have a date. I have a date. Now, this is how you say. Ndĩna date. Ndĩna date. Ndĩna date. Ndĩna is I have, date, a date. Ndĩna date. Now, let's say, for example, you want to tell your wife or your girlfriend or your fiance or even your lover, you want to tell them, you are mine forever. You are mine forever. This is how you say it. Wĩ wakwa tene na tene. Wĩ wakwa tene na tene. Wĩ wakwa, you are mine. Tene na tene, forever. Wĩ wakwa tene na tene. Or you can even say, we wĩ wakwa, you are mine forever. We wĩ wakwa tene na tene. Where is you? Wĩ wakwa, you are mine. Tene na tene, forever. We wĩ wakwa tene na tene. Now, let's say, for example, you want to tell someone or you want to request them, and you wish to have a relationship and tell them, can you be my boyfriend or can you be my girlfriend? This is how you ask them. No wende gũkorwo boyfriend yakwa. No wende gũkorwo boyfriend yakwa. Or you can even say, No wende gũkorwo girlfriend yakwa. No wende gũkorwo girlfriend yakwa. No wende gũkorwo girlfriend yakwa. Would you like to be my girlfriend? No wende, would you like to be gũkorwo girlfriend yakwa? Or would you like to be no wende gũkorwo boyfriend yakwa, my boyfriend. Now, like I mentioned in the previous videos, Kikuyu is a mixture. Sometimes there are some words that we just pick from English language, like the word boyfriend. I don't think there is a direct Kikuyu word for boyfriend. And if there is, I am not aware of it. But as you have noticed also in the past videos, there are some words that we pick directly from English and put them in our Kikuyu sentences. Yes, that's how it is. Now we're going to go ahead, and our next word to learn is, for example, if you want to tell someone, or you want to tell maybe you found a beautiful woman and you are planning a future with her, and you want to ask her, can you be my wife? No wende gũkorwo mũtumia wakwa. No wende gũkorwo mũtumia wakwa. No wende, would you like gũkorwo, to be mũtumia wakwa, my wife. Mũtumia is wife. Wakwa is mine. No wende gũkorwo mũtumia wakwa. Now, this applies to the opposite gender, and this is how you can say, no wende gũkorwo mũthuri wakwa. No wende gũkorwo mũthuri wakwa. No wende, would you like to be? Mũthuri is husband wakwa. No wende gũkorwo mũthuri wakwa. Would you like to be my husband? Mũthuri is the husband. Wakwa is the possession, mine. No wende gũkorwo mũthuri wakwa. Now, let's say, for example, you found the person and you want to tell them, I want to marry you. This is how you say them. You say, no wende ngũhikie. No wende ngũhikie. No wende ngũhikie. Would you like, no wende ngũhikie. Would you like I marry you? Would you like I marry you? Or you can even put it in an easier way. And let's say, for example, you want to say, can I marry you? No ngũhikie. No ngũhikie. Can I? No ngũhikie. Marry you. No ngũhikie. Now, our next word to learn is, would you like for us to live together? Or maybe you want to tell your lover or your husband to be, or your boyfriend, your wife to be, can we live together? No wende tũikare hamwe. No wende tũikare hamwe. No wende, can we live together? toikare hamwe, live together. No wede toikare hamwe. Or you can even say, no wede toikaranie. No wede toikaranie. No wede toikaranie. Can we live together? Or would you like we live together? No wede toikaranie. Now, our next word to learn today is, can we have a family together? No wede tukorwo na family hamwe. No wede tukorwo na family hamwe. Would you like to have a family would you like to have a family together? Would you like to have we have a family together? No wede tukorwo na family hamwe. Family is the family. Together is hamwe. No wede. Would you like we have a family together? No wede tukorwo na family hamwe. Now, our other word to learn today is, maybe you want to ask, can we have kids together? No wede tugie na ciana hamwe. No wede tugie ciana hamwe. Can we have kids together? No wede tugie we have kids together. No wede tugie ciana hamwe. No wede tugie ciana hamwe. Now, ciana are the kids. Hamwe is together. Now, our other word to learn today is, would you like we have a wedding? Would you like we have a wedding? No wede tukorwo no hiki. No wede tukorwo no hiki. Would you like no wede tukorwo we have no tukorwo no hiki. Ohiki is the wedding. No wede tukorwo no hiki. No wede tukorwo no hiki. Or you can even say, for example, if you want to say, would you like we marry? No wede tuhikanie. No wede tuhikanie. Tuhikanie is to marry, the act of marriage. No wede tuhikanie. No wede tuhikanie. Would you like to marry? Would you like we marry? No wede tuhikanie. Would you like we marry? No wede tuhikanie. Now, this brings us to the end of this lesson tonight. As you have realized, we are going deeper and we are learning more about sentences that are a bit longer, and this is where the complex the language becomes a little bit complex, just a little bit complex. I hope you're not giving up. I hope you all are improving in your Kikuyu skills. I am so much proud of everyone who takes time of watching these videos, and I'm looking forward to work together with all my viewers, and I'm even looking forward to make sure that we are moving together as a team. And if there are any questions, any suggestions out there, I highly appreciate them, and I have an open ear for you all. I so much appreciate today. I wish you all a good night and a lovely evening. See you next time. Thanks for watching me. Bye.